RS Academy. This is Ravi Shankar sir, chemistry. We are discussing chemical properties of acids. So in this session we are going to discuss second chemical property of acids, that is acid with metal carbonates or metal bicarbonates. For rating, my dears, acids with metal carbonates or metal bicarbonates. Right. So to understand the reaction between acid with metal carbonates or metal bicarbonates, or to write number of equations yourself, the reaction between acid and metal carbonates or metal bicarbonates, we have to remember 4 points. Point number 1, statement. Write down point number 1. Point number 1, statement. Generally, acids react with metal carbonates or metal bicarbonates, gives salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Next, point number 2. Acids and ions present in them. Acids and ions present in them. So hydrochloric acid, it's split up into H plus and Cl minus. Sulfuric acid, 2 H plus ions and 1 sulfate ion. So nitric acid, H plus and NO3 minus. Phosphoric acid, H3PO4, 3 H plus ions and 1 phosphate ion. Carbonic acid, H2CO3, 2 H plus and 1 carbonate ion. Next, formic acid, it's split up into HCOO minus and H plus ion. Acetic acid, CH3COOH gives CH3COO minus and H plus ion. Point number 1, statement you have to know. Point number 2, acids and the ions present in them. Point number 3, metal carbonate ion, metal ions. Point number 3, metal ions. Metal ions. Potassium ion K plus, sodium Na plus, calcium Ca2 plus, magnesium Mg2 plus, aluminum Al3 plus, copper Cu2 plus, next silver Az plus, iron Fe2 plus, and tin Sn2 plus. At least remember few metal ions. Next, point number 4. Carbonate ion. Carbonate ion formula, that is CO3 2 minus. Already you will get in case of carbonic acid. Carbonate ion. Next one, bicarbonate ion. Bicarbonate ion, that is HCO3 minus. HCO3 minus. So please copy these all the points. To write equation between acid with metal carbonates or metal bicarbonates, we required 4 points. So point number 1, statement. Generally, acid reacts with metal carbonates or metal bicarbonate, gives salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Point number 2, acids and their ions. Point number 3, metal ions. Point number 4, carbonate ion formula and bicarbonate ion formula. Okay, right. Next, one more important basic point you have to know. Please make a note of it. Chalk, marble, limestone, eggshell. These all chemical substances consist of calcium carbonate. Please remember this one. Calcium carbonate. Next one. Washing soda. Formula Na2CO3.10H2O. Decahydrated sodium carbonate is called washing soda. Next, baking soda. NaHCO3. So these all points are very important to write number of equations on your own for the reaction between acid with metal carbonates or metal bicarbonates. Now let us learn how to write the equations without by hearting for the reaction between acid and metal carbonates or metal bicarbonates. Right. Let us perform an activity. Listen carefully. Take one test tube which consists of few grams of baking soda. Baking soda formula, as you're right. Baking soda formula NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate, also called sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium bicarbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate, also called baking soda. And add few ml of aqua solution of sulfuric acid H2SO4. Sulfuric acid, also called oil of vitriol, king of chemicals. Please remember these names. Sulfuric acid. Now, cover the mouth of the test tube with one rubber cork, single hole rubber cork. Insert one U-shaped, inverted U-shaped tube. Inverted U-shaped tube. Free end of these tube must be directed into the test tube which consists of lime water. Lime water. Right. So when acid added to baking soda, you must have seen that evolution of gas taking place. Evolution of gas taking place. When this gas enter into lime water, the lime water turns milky white. Turns milky white. Milky white. So listen to me. Carbon dioxide has two characteristics. One is the fire extinguisher. It cut off the fire. Second one, it has capability to turn lime water milky. That means here evolved gas turns lime water milky. That means this gas must be a carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Now let us write equation for this one. So you need to remember the statement. That is, generally acids react with metal carbonates or metal bicarbonates, gives salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Let us substitute dissolve. Acid is sulfuric acid. What we have taken in the textbook. Carbonate is bicarbonate we have taken, that is baking soda NaHCO3 gives salt. Leave a gap for salt and write known products, that is carbon dioxide and water. I said how to frame the salt. Salts always obtained from acid. In an acid, if hydrogens are replaced by metal, that means you will get sodium sulfate. Sodium ion Na plus, sulfate ion SO4 2 minus 2 1. Na2SO4 sodium sulfate. Here salt will be sodium sulfate Na2SO4. Let us balance the equation. Sodium here 2, keep here 2. Hydrogens 2, hydrogens 2 here. Here total 2 hydrogens 4. Carbon 2, multiply this 2, the multiply with this 2. So it's a balanced chemical equation. Is it clear? Copy this. Right. Let us take few more examples. Name the gas evolved. Please write down question along with me. Name the gas evolved when a crushed eggshell placed in nitric acid solution. Name the gas evolved when crushed eggshell placed in nitric acid, aqueous solution of nitric acid. Now dropping crushed eggshell. So let us assume this is a crushed eggshell. Name the gas evolved. So crushed eggshell, I said already, eggshell consists of calcium carbonate. It's a metal carbonate. This one is acid. What kind of gas you will get? When acids react with metal carbonates or metal bicarbonates, you will get salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. The gas must be a carbon dioxide. So let us write equation for this one. Calcium carbonate plus nitric acid, you will get salt. Leave a gap for salt. Salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Salt here, I said salt is obtained by replacement of hydrogen acid with metal. This is a metal. Then you will get calcium ion and nitrate ion will be NO3 minus, this cross 1 2. CaNO3 taken twice, calcium nitrate. So salt will be calcium nitrate. We need to balance the equation. 2 nitrate here, keep here 2, hydrogens 2 completed, oxygens 3 plus 3 6 here, carbonate. So 6 plus 3 9, 6 3 9, right? It's a balanced chemical equation. Is it clear to you how to write equation? The reaction between acids and metal carbonates or metal bicarbonates. Very, very important. Okay, right. Let us take one more example. Chalk with hydrochloric acid. Try yourself. Chalk consists of calcium carbonate. So statement will be generally acids react with metal carbonates or metal bicarbonates gives salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Acid is HCl, metal carbonate will be chalk, that is calcium carbonate. You will get salt. Leave a gap for salt, write carbon dioxide plus water. So salt is obtained by replacement of hydrogen in acid by metal. So calcium Ca2 plus chloride Cl minus 1 2 calcium chloride CaCl2. So to balance equation, chlorides 2, hydrogens 2, chlorides, chlorine atoms 2, calcium 1, carbon 1, oxygens 3, 1 2 3. Is it clear? I hope you understand how to write equation for the reaction between acid and metal carbonates or metal bicarbonates. Thank you. Have a nice day.